Okay, so like picture that you're in Cape Town, right? And you are just so ready to like experience those amazing views on Table Mountain.
Yeah.
But maybe you're not really looking for like super intense hikes and climbs and stuff. You
Right.
just want something a little more chill.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, this is the deep dive for you because today we're going to talk all about exploring Table Mountain, but without like totally wearing yourself out.
Exactly.
We're going to be taking inspiration from Easy Walking Trails in Cape Town, which is by Muki Adventure Hiking Tours.
Okay, cool.
And we're going to uncover like all those perfect little spots for a nice relaxing stroll with killer views.
I love it. I mean, Cable Mountain really does offer something for everyone, right?
Yes.
You can definitely find those like challenging climbs if you're looking for that.
Oh, for sure.
But there are also just these really cool trails that kind of wind around the mountain, and they give you this like much gentler way to like experience nature.
Yeah, exactly. And that's what I love about it because
Right.
you can just soak in those iconic views without having to be like a hardcore hiker.
Totally.
So let's talk strategy.
Okay.
Like, let's say I'm in Cape Town. I just got there.
Yeah.
I'm ready to hit the trails. What's the best time of day to go?
So the source actually had this funny way of putting it.
Okay.
They said like, avoid hiking in the middle of the day unless you want to feel like you're in one of those sauna commercials.
Oh my gosh, yes.
And it's so true.
Totally.
Like early morning or late afternoon, you're going to have way cooler temperatures.
Right.
It's going to be better lighting for pictures.
Yes.
And you're probably going to run into fewer people on the trails too.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's talk about packing.
Right?
Obviously, we got the essentials, water, sunscreen. But is there anything else specific to Cape Town's weather that we should keep in mind?
So Cape Town's weather, it's kind of notorious for being unpredictable.
Really?
Yeah. You could literally start your hike like in sunshine, and then suddenly you're dealing with like crazy wind.
Oh, wow.
So layering is key. Even if it seems warm and sunny,
Yeah.
bring a light jacket just in case.
Good point. I've definitely learned that lesson the hard way in other places.
Right.
Okay, so question for all my fellow dog lovers out there.
Yeah?
Can we bring our furry friends on these easy walks?
Yeah, so some of the trails are actually dog friendly.
Oh, awesome.
As long as they're on a leash, of course.
Of course.
But yeah, it's super cool that you can share those beautiful walks with your dog.
That's so great.
Yeah.
Okay, now what about the other furry residents of Table Mountain?
The baboons.
The baboons, yes.
Yeah.
Any insights from the source on how to like deal with those encounters?
So they had kind of a funny take on it.
Okay.
He said that the baboons are basically too busy like planning their next snack heist to really care about what we're doing.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
But okay, in all seriousness, what precautions should people take if they do come across baboons?
Yeah, for sure. So it's always smart to just observe wildlife from a distance,
Yeah.
and never ever feed them. Keep your snacks tucked away.
Yeah.
Avoid making eye contact.
Right.
Don't make any sudden movements.
Got it.
And in most cases, they'll just kind of go about their business.
Right.
As long as they don't feel threatened.
Makes sense. Okay, let's get to the real reason why we're hitting these trails.
Okay.
The photo ops.
Of course.
So are we talking like those epic panoramic views, unique plants and flowers?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Everything you could want for your Cape Town Instagram.
Absolutely. The source actually describes the trails as Instagram gold.
Amazing.
Like you're going to get those huge landscapes, but then you'll also get those really cool close-ups of all the crazy plants that grow in that area.
Love that. Okay, so for those of us who aren't exactly expert navigators,
Yeah.
how easy are these trails to follow?
Yeah. So the trails are generally pretty well maintained.
Okay.
They're marked pretty clearly, so you shouldn't have too much trouble finding your way.
Okay, good.
Plus, like we said, these easy trails are pretty popular.
Right.
So you'll probably have other people around.
That's reassuring.
Yeah, but if you're ever like unsure, it's always a good idea to download a map of the area
Yeah.
or even bring a compass.
Makes sense. Okay, so we've got the timing down. We've got the packing list.
Yeah.
We know what to do if we see baboons.
Right.
Anything else people should keep in mind to stay safe and have fun?
It's always a good idea to hike with a buddy.
Yeah.
It's safer.
Uh-huh.
And honestly, it's way more fun to share the experience and the views with a friend.
Totally. Plus you have someone to watch out for those snack-stealing baboons.
Exactly.